It's simple math. 1 + 1 = 2. 2 × 2 = 4. You get it. So when is 0 greater than 1, or 2, or 10? When you're talking about AMETEK's DurA-Tek Prime Coolant Booster Pump, the new brushless, sealless booster pump that's changing the face of the industry itself.
In the school bus industry, the DurA-Tek Prime pump is like nothing we've ever seen before.
Yeah, this pump changes everything.
There are over 400,000 buses on the road today, and every year, 30,000 new school buses are placed into service in the U.S. Whether traveling over rough roads or the most extreme weather conditions, today's school buses and their drivers face the difficult challenge of transporting the most precious of cargo without incident, day after day, year after year.
So our vehicles, whether they're coaches or school buses, are all built to last. Our school buses are 12, 15 to 18-year life, so they're around a long time. But some of the components that are used don't have as long a lifespan, and we find that we're replacing them on an ongoing basis.
One of those problems is the engine's coolant booster pump, responsible for heating and cooling the bus's interior and defrosting its windows. For years, the standard industry solution used a brush-based motor with seal pump. This pump has proven to be a nagging maintenance issue, developing seal leakage, resulting in diminished operating life and frequent downtime, adding unnecessary cost to the life of the bus.
It seems like I'm always replacing these old coolant pumps, which means the buses are in here getting serviced and they're not out on the road. That means our maintenance costs keep going up.
Remember that math lesson? 0 is greater because the DurA-Tek Prime coolant pump utilizes 0 brushes and 0 seals, resulting in 0 leakage. That adds up to highly efficient performance, far greater product life, and 0 maintenance. Now that's the type of math that everyone gets. A closer look inside shows what separates the DurA-Tek Prime booster pump from the competition. Its magnetically coupled design operates with no seals and has no contacting or wearing surfaces. Bottom line, it cannot leak. And its brushless motor commutates electronically, switching stator fields through rotor position sensing so there's no wearing of electrical connections. What does that all mean? Well, let's compare. With brush-based technology, the motor uses a carbon brush and commutator that leads to wear and repeated maintenance. The sealed pump uses a rotating carbon seal that typically fails within 12 to 24 months, causing coolant to leak into the environment, creating a hazardous condition. As a result of the failure mode, these brush-based sealed pumps need to be replaced every 2 years, if not sooner, and the average cost falls between $160 to $250. With an average school bus life of 12 years, you need 6 pumps over that time at a cost of $960. Adding to that is unscheduled bus downtime and associated labor costs to remove and replace the inferior pump. With brushless technology, there's no contact or wear on electrical connections. It uses a magnetically coupled sealless pump, meaning no wear and no leakage. There's no maintenance involved, and it's designed to last the life of the school bus. Price range is $350 to $400, and it's the only pump you'll ever need to buy. A real game changer. Standard warranty for a brush-based sealed pump is 1 year. If used as a replacement pump, DurA-Tek Prime's warranty is 3 years. For new bus builds or as a dealer-installed option, the warranty rises to 7 years. Finally, fleet managers, take note. Let's say you carry 100 buses with the average 12-year lifespan. Using the DurA-Tek Prime coolant pump versus the brush-based design will save you $1,747 per bus, or $174,700 across your fleet, straight back to your bottom line. And the longer your buses remain in service, the greater the cost savings.
So we have over 300 vehicles on the road every day. So anytime we have an opportunity to eliminate a reoccurring problem and put in a product like the DurA-Tek Prime pump and eliminate one factor from our constant ongoing things, makes our life a lot easier, and it makes it a lot easier to do our job every day. How can you argue with that?
The DurA-Tek Prime Coolant Booster Pump from AMETEK. Do the math. You'll love the results.